You have overstayed your welcome here. I even made you an offer, but guess what? Accepting it is long overdue. Don't worry, I won't get rid of you or collect you just yet. I was never one to abide by ways. An old friend needs you a lot more than I do. They too are on a path to achieve peace of mind. I already have more than enough subjects to move forward with my aspirations and my ultimate mental refinement. You just take a little nap while I transfer you to where you're meant to be.
Hey you, you're finally awake. Can't blame you for taking a nap. Feels like we've been in this car forever. So, Stinger, when are we arriving at this place called Beach?
I believe we are lost.
Nice. You had one job and you messed that up somehow.
I am struggling to locate the being who asked for your opinion.
Can you at least put some music on since we're gonna be out here for a while?
Traveling through the dark, what's with these floating cars? I'm picking up these pieces of my fragile broken heart, cleaning up the infestation.
That's what I'm talking about. Sheila, what do you think about this?
Being infiltrated, my mind must have been sedated. Feels like a stinging in my brain, it's like a migraine.
Awesome.
It must be here to stay.
Captain, what about you?
What did I do to you? I've been brain
Captain?
fried on and on, live with you. The baddest feeling in my
Okay, decent answer.
I'm stuck here searching all alone.
Can you stop vocalizing for just 1 second so I can focus on the road?
What do you mean focus on the road? We've been going in circles for hours. Never trust a jellyfish, am I right, Opila?
I'm not scared of my problems. Don't tell me I got time for it.
If your pathetic mouth utters another infuriating sentence, I will